At Young, we're rethinking the traditional co-travel. So, instead of sending you a manufacturing rep, we've created an entirely new experience, the RDH Ride-Along. Wait, what exactly is an RDH Ride-Along? We're glad you asked. Over the last 3 years, Young Dental has built a strong network of dental hygienists that have the credibility of actively working chairside and the savvy to support the sales side. Our reps are all active hygienists, working 2 to 3 days a week at their respective dental practices. The rest of their time is spent working for Young Dental, representing our line of premium dental hygiene products, and riding along with you. As active hygienists, they're skilled in speaking to other hygienists about product. Those conversations lead to sales. Those sales are your sales. Woo-hoo! An RDH ride-along with one of our 65 hygienists across the country is the winning formula to increase brand awareness and boost sales. It's not your typical co-travel. It's Young's RDH ride-along. We've heard it before. Maybe you don't love co-travels. But here is how Young's RDH ride-along is different. It will not be disruptive to your day. Any time spent with a dental hygienist is productive, especially if they aren't scaling your teeth. Since our reps are hygienists, they know how to talk to other hygienists. Watch the magic when an RDH gives another RDH a product demo. Since peer-to-peer recommendations are the #1 sales driver in dental hygiene, what that means for you is you will make more money. You will make more money! Whoops, did we already say that? Here are the straight facts from the past year. Over 500 RDH ride-alongs have been completed in 2018 so far. And reps who've participated in the RDH ride-along had 9 times the sales growth versus those that didn't. In summary, here is what you can expect the hygienist to bring to the RDH ride-along. Oodles of positive energy, fresh clinical perspective, exclusive promotions, rep incentives like Henry Schein Performance Perks points, great samples for your offices. They'll even bring the lunch money. Find out what your peers have already realized. Schedule your Young RDH ride-along today. Download the Young Sales app or click here.